Welcome home to 20112 Scenic View. This beautiful, well-maintained Cape Cod home sits on a little over 2 acres. There is a large pasture in the back with a 2-stall horse barn. It's located on a quiet cul-de-sac, with a large covered porch, an oversized 2-car garage. The kitchen is an updated space with plenty of counter space and cabinet space. The appliances are all fairly new, including a dishwasher, stainless steel refrigerator, a cooktop stove and a double oven. The master bedroom is on the main floor, so no stairs to climb. The walkout level basement is finished and makes a wonderful rec room, game room, his or her cave or whatever your imagination can come up with. There is also an oversized room that could be used as a study, workspace, office and maybe even as a bedroom. Plus there is a storage area in the basement. There is so much more about this home: newer roof, large doors from basement to yard, space for parking, and much more. Go to 20112 Scenic View today and check it out. Stop on by.